How to buy S&P 500 on DEGIRO. Follow my instructions. If you want to invest in the entire US market, buying an S&P 500 ETF is the easiest way. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Open the DEGIRO app and log into your account. Make sure your account is funded. To deposit money, tap menu greater than deposit funds. Once your funds appear in your balance, tap the search icon at the bottom. Type in a popular S&P 500 ETF like VUSA, CSPX, or IVV. Check the ETF details like provider, fees, and volume. Tap the one that fits your needs. Then tap the Buy button. Enter how many units you want to purchase. Choose your order type, market for instant, limit for a fixed price. Then tap Confirm to place your order. Your open orders will appear in the Orders tab. Once completed, your ETF will show in Portfolio. This gives you exposure to top 500 US companies instantly. You can hold the ETF long-term, reinvest, or track growth. That's how you buy the S&P 500 on DEGIRO in 2025. Thanks for watching.